So it's late October. It's a little bit chilly outside. We got up to camp. We left after work Friday. Today's Friday. So we left after work. After she got off work, I took today off to get everything ready to go camping. So by the time we got up here to camp, we had to stop at the store and all that. By the time we got up here, it's dark. So we didn't film anything, but we had a nice campfire. Thanks, Mickwick.
Yes.
Mickwick to the rescue tonight, for sure. We turned on the little buddy for a few minutes up here before we crawled into bed. So the tent is actually pretty warm. We're at Ludington State Park Campground. It's a nice campground, great hiking trails here. Right on, and one side of it is Lake Michigan. The other side of it, I can't remember what the name of that lake is. We've been here in a couple years, but there's a nice lake on the back side of the campground. But we're right on the dunes, right on Lake Michigan, and there's great hiking trails here. We're not gonna hike them this time. We're basically using this one as a layover spot. Like I said, we got out of work, drove up here, set up camp in the dark, enjoyed the campfire for a little while, and now we're gonna get some sleep.
Good night.
Good night. Alright, I'm not doing a very good job videoing this morning. We are at Ludington State Campground. In case I didn't use the footage from last night, I don't know how that'll turn out, but we're at Ludington State Campground. It's October, I think the 30th. I don't know, Saturday morning. We got up here at October 29th. Her mom's birthday. Happy birthday, Mom. So we got up here after dark and got set up, and we just went back to our old faithful breakfast burritos this morning. Just trying a French press that we bought for our coffee, and so we're gonna grab a bite to eat, have our coffee. I don't know if we'll get any more video here. It's a pretty crowded campground, surprisingly, for this time of the year. But then we're gonna hit the road, so stick with us. Alright, just passing through, I believe we're around the town of Betsy, but driving up M22 up the lake shore, and saw a street that headed out toward the lake, and it's just an observation deck. There's stairs down that go down to the beach, but if we go down them, we got to come up them. I don't have that much energy right now. But beautiful view of Lake Michigan. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. There's a lighthouse up the beach ways. Beautiful wife over on this side. Some people back there rock hunting. Pretty popular thing along Lake Michigan shore. Probably a lot of other places too, but we don't do it, so it's kind of fascinating to us what people are looking for. But we are at Point Betsy Lighthouse. I'll show you the lighthouse and the lake shore here. So just another little stop along M22 heading north along Lake Michigan shoreline. We are at Leelanau State Park Campground. This is our spot. It's a small site, but big enough for us. We got it set up pretty good, I think. We're gonna get the rest of our table out, set up the rest of our kitchen, get ready to cook some dinner a little bit here. But let me show you this view. Right on Lake Michigan, at the very top of the Leelanau Peninsula. Alright, we got the tent set up. We got the kitchen is open. Got the disc set up. And she started cutting some peppers. What are we having for dinner tonight, baby?
Just some pork with asparagus, broccolini, and peppers.
Awesome. Got the broccolini cut. Now she's cutting up the asparagus.
Cut the ends off.
Didn't even hit any fingers yet.
No, and then we'll cut them in half.
And knife is so sharp.
Here's all our veggies.
Oh yeah, that's good.
I even added some garlic. Alright, we need you to turn it down, get me the lid, and we'll steam these veggies up.
What is it?
It's good. It's ready.
Alright, so we had delicious dinner. Thanks, baby. We got our fire going. We ran out of McWicks, so this is not a McWick fire, and we did struggle a little. So we gotta order more McWicks. McWick. As the Keel kids would say, we've got our camp juice. So we're just gonna hang out by the fire, enjoy the evening together, and we'll check in with you in the morning. Good morning. It's a beautiful morning. Water is calm and it's time for coffee. Since we are on the Leelanau Peninsula, we've decided, we stopped at a store, we had to pick up some necessities, some paper towels and crap.
And coffee.
And coffee. So we found a local Leelanau
Coffee Roasting Company.
Leelanau Coffee Roasting Company bakery blend. So we're going to give a local coffee a chance and see how we like that. Alright, we're going to give this one a try in the French press today. See how we like those, chewing up those last few coffee
Make it a little
grounds.
stronger.
Morning coffee, got that a little stronger. Leelanau Coffee Roasting. Alright, let's get some of this hot water on this coffee. Water jug fell in the background. Startled me. Probably looks kind of silly. I'm pouring hot water into a French press with a percolator, but it's all we had to heat the water with. Stir it up.
Yep.
Yeah, here you go.
And it's hot. That's good. Someone's got to quit taking that out of it apart.
Alright, we done with this one?
Yes.
Coffee all up and down.
And let it set
Alright, let that set for a few minutes
while
and
we eat.
eat those breakfast burritos. Alright, Leelanau. I don't remember what it's called. Leelanau Coffee Roasting Company?
Sure, we'll
It's something like that. I don't know. We're not getting paid for this. So if we get their name a little bit wrong, we just bought it off the shelf and decided to try it out. So, what do you think?
It's good.
I haven't even tried mine yet. I'm sure it's really hot right now.
A little warm.
It is hot. I do like that.
Yep, that's a good coffee.
This one's a medium to dark, right?
I think so.
We both kind of like a darker roast, and that's basically. They had several different to choose from, so we chose the darker. I think it was a medium dark, but one of the darker roasts because that's what we like. And yeah, this is good. I like this. Yeah, good job, Leelanau Roasting Company.
It's over there.
I already showed you the bag. Figured it out. All right, we're all packed up. Sun's in our face. But we're all packed up and gonna say goodbye to the Leelanau Peninsula for now. Well, we gotta drive down the peninsula, but to the campground. Really like this spot. This is really cool. So, but yeah, we're all packed up. Gonna hit the road, and we're gonna make some stops on the way home. I don't know if maybe we'll hit some seasonal roads. We'll see what we find. But for now, we're out. It's almost 2:30 in the afternoon, and we've still got another hour or so until we get home. So we decided to skip the seasonal roads, get on home. There was heavy dew last night and a lot of condensation, so we wiped down the tent as much as we could, but we still put it away pretty wet. So we want to get home in time to set it up for a while, let it air out some, and so we're going to wrap this one up. So, as always, we adventure at our level, get out and adventure at your level. Thanks for watching.